Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today in this video we are going to learn sea animals. Hope you enjoy a lot in this video. Now let's start. Octopus, eel, whale, dolphin, sea turtle, shark, oyster, crab, jellyfish, seal, starfish, sea lion, prawns, tuna, seahorse, squid, coral, snail. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.